All right. So we're just going to divide this out. So Jordan, what would I start with this one?
I don't remember these ones.
We really want to pay attention. Cash.
I don't know how to, like, on the versus 3x, I don't know how to do that part.
Oh, we're doing the top one first, though.
Yeah.
Perfect. I
I don't know
can.
how to.
I can. Okay, you ready? So we having trouble with the number out in front, right?
B squared.
That's why I did it, right? But b squared, that's it. So you're saying, hey, what times 5b is 5b cubed? So I need two more b's, right? B squared. And the b squared is going to go in the b squared column, right? And this one is actually easier than the ones with just the b or just the a or just the x. Believe me, because you'll know you're doing it right. Where, remember the other one? You're like, you only know you're doing it right if it gets kind of funky. You get like, start getting into the hundreds and thousands. You're like, something went wrong here, but I don't know what, right? This one, when it goes wrong, the number won't go into the next number. So you did something wrong, okay? So, b squared times 5b is what?
Times 11.
Is 5b cubed, right? And then this times this is minus 11b squared. And then what do we do?
Draw the line and change the sign.
Say no more. So draw the line, change the signs. These cancel. These are the same, so I'm going to add them up. So I get 55, right? Or no, 45 squared. And then bring this down, I get minus 44b. And then what times 5 is 45? 9. And what times b is b squared? B, right?
Yeah.
Right? You have one b, but you need two. So I need another b here. So I need 9, right? And a b. So 9b times 5b is 45b. 9 times 11 is minus 99b, right? But then what do?
Draw the line and change the sign.
I say no more. So then we got, these are gone. This becomes a 5, and this becomes a 55 now, b. This comes down, so we got minus 121, right? And so, what times 5 is 55? 11. So 11 times 5 is 55b, and 11 times negative 11 is negative 121. And then draw the line, change the signs, these cancel, and this is a fact. It's a factor, right? We know that this is a factor of this now, right? And it produces this equation. And what type of equation is it? Quadratic trinomial, right? So we took a cubic polynomial, divided it by a linear binomial, and we produced a quadratic trinomial.
Okay.
Right? Sounds all, big words, right? But this is the stuff that they might ask you on the SBAC. So you have to explain that in those big words, using big words, like your big boy, big girl words, right? Polynomial, binomial, trinomial, cubic, quartic, whatever it is, linear. Okay? Okay, next, number 11, same thing. What times 3 is 3?
1.
And what times x is x cubed?
X squared.
Okay? So I put it in the x squared column. X squared times 3x is 3x cubed. X squared times 5 is 5x squared. Right? I draw the line and I change the signs. Right? Okay. Then these cancel, which is good. This becomes 27x squared. This comes down plus 27x. What times 3 is 27? 9. See where this is going? Right? As long as you know it goes into it, you did it right. Okay? Alright, so we know it's a 9 and we need another x because x times x is x squared. So we got 27x squared. 9 times 5 is 45x, right? And then that's a positive 2, right? So then we draw the line and we... There we go. Because we got to get rid of them. Bam. Now these are different. So 45 and 27, what's the difference between that? Well, it's 3 to 30, right? And then 15 to 45. So 15 and 3 is 18, negative. And then we bring this down. And what's a beautiful thought is that, hey, 18, 3 goes into 18 6 times. So, plus 6, right? But is it plus 6? No, because it's a minus 18. Right? So it's a minus 6. Okay, so I get minus 18. And then I get minus 6 times 5, which is minus 30. And then
draw the line, change the sign.
say no more. Okay, so these are opposites. These are opposites, but I'm left with the minus 5. So what do I do with that? Put the equation. So I got minus, and then 5 over 3x plus 5, right? Okay? So 5 over 3x plus 5. Now, is this factorable? I mean, is this a factor of this? No. No, this is not a factor. This is not an equation, is it? Right? It's not a function, I should say. Right? Because it has something in the bottom. But this is the answer. Okay? And there you go. Long division.